Yim Osem Elokai. My God will reject them. Below it's someone. If it listen saying, ye are noted in Bagoyim, and therefore they became noted in Bagoyim, wandering amongst them. Now, of course, Hoshea is filled with these dire predictions of and unfortunately they all came true. This part of the Navi 12 has been lost completely, absolutely, and there's even machloket amongst the Tanoim when the Emerald will come back in Mosamic here. And that Shiva is the one that definitely it will come. In which way we do not know. They somehow certainly didn't multiply the way the affects the infrared to the flow multiply. That didn't multiply. They became absorbed amongst other nations. Where are they? Somewhere in the Far East, and you don't know. I have not the slightest idea. Amongst the Japanese, amongst the Indians, and the Chinese, who knows? Where they are. How is the way how the world brings them back to only be that there would be an awakening amongst those, many amongst those descendants to convert and become Jews. And he states the word would come through war of the end of Archer, and we come back. These are those that are lost in Eretz Archer, are lost in Eretz Archer. We do not know, but we do know that while these predictions at that time of Hoshea, they still were meant only as warnings, the sternest warnings possible. He pictures a complete destruction of a time, and the horrible picture of dwindling. That children will not be born or die early or young, and then what's left is killed by the enemy. In other words, a complete prediction of things which unfortunately came true. But at that time, when the Nebuah was announced, didn't have to come true. I hope that these very strong condemnations would help and wake up a blind. Not only this, it would wake up a blind and at the same time prevent Yehuda from following the same fact.